Hey YouTube, it's me, Lizzie, the Discount Vegan, and I make budget-friendly recipes and teach you how to garden even in the smallest spaces so that you can save money on what you put in your mouth so you can save or spend it somewhere else. So if that sounds good to you, click the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit the bell icon if you haven't done that either. And let's get into today's video. So today, I'm gonna show you something super delicious, super versatile, and just super. So here it is. This delicious creaminess is, believe it or not, but do believe it, tofu Alfredo sauce. Super cheap, super simple to make, and it'll take you no time and very little money out of pocket. You should already have probably about 98% of the ingredients at home. So if this sounds good to you and you want to see how I make this, keep watching. And as always, the recipe link will be in the description box down below. So let's get into the video. Okay, so this is a super simple Alfredo recipe. All you need: soak in tofu, some soy milk, and your seasonings. Here I have nooch, cheesy, nutty, you get the idea, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some salt. Super simple. The exact recipe will be in the link down below. And literally, once you have all these ingredients, all you have to do is set up your food processor. So we have this old baby. Put her together. Put it together. And all you have to do is slide in your soaking tofu. As you can see, there is some liquid. I try to get rid of the majority of it, but a little bit is okay. So now we have our milk. And I use soy milk just because it's a great thickening. But so is nutritional yeast too, so it's your choice. And now I'm adding my nooch, my salt, my onion powder, and my garlic powder. If you use garlic salt or onion salt, pretty much you can omit the salt in general and just taste it afterwards and see how you like it. Now that that's all in, all you have to do is blend her up. And like with all food processor recipes, you do have to scrape down the sides. Otherwise you won't get all the ingredients in. All right. one last scrape down. And this is pretty much what you're left with. Makes a great line. Is very slow moving. And it will thicken up when you put it on your pasta as well. So let me make some pasta for you, and I'll show you how gorgeous this is. Okay, so as I promised, a finished pasta dish with Alfredo. Here it is. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so yummy, it's so creamy. The more you put in, the more creamy it is. It works drier as well. Sometimes you want something that's just a hint of flavor and not a lot of cream sauce. So this works as well. It is so good. So let's try it out. Now in my pasta dish, I put olives and basil because I love me some olives and basil. So let's try this. I can't even with you. It's delicious, it's creamy, it's slightly cheesy. It's so good. You've got to try this. And if you do, let me know. Tag me in your stories and your photos of my Alfredo sauce. I would love to see them. And if you like this video, if it made you hungry, I hope it did, click the like button. Leave me a comment down below. Let's chat. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.